First impression.
Hey friends, so today we will be restoring, reviving, blessing this old weave that I've had for about a year. I'm going to show you all the process I do to pretty much just take old weave that may be greasy, dirty of course, and it's very stiff. Gonna take it from that to pretty much feel like you just ordered the weave. And I only do this with, of course, virgin hair. Synthetic hair, I don't think you can revive, but yeah, so virgin hair, I'm doing this with, and this is a Brazilian hair, and I'm going to put the link below to where I bought the lace frontal as well as the bundles. So hope you all enjoy.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
To wash this weave, I used Shea Moisture shampoo and of course my Aussie Conditioner. So I didn't wash the weave when I took it out, and so I'm washing it now to get it pretty much clean. And the next step after this will be boiling water. While I'm washing it, I'm actually boiling the water so it can be nice and hot once I get done washing the weave and getting most of the dirt out. So the most important thing when washing weave is washing near the tracks, because that's where most of your dirt is caked up and built up. And I did wash this twice. 2 or 3 times I think is good, but of course you can do it more, but I did it twice. So I got most of the dirt out, and I'll get the rest out when I boil it.
Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
This is the frontal that I'm brushing out, and there's actually shampoo in it. Of course, I haven't conditioned it in the boiling water yet, so I'm just brushing it out before I actually condition it and getting it all smooth. And then I just let that sit for a couple seconds. And I would suggest doing the same thing to the actual bundles. I didn't brush the bundles out when it had the shampoo in it, but it's okay. As y'all can see here, my water is very, very hot. It's not boiling. So I just add my favorite conditioner in there and just stir that up and get it good and stirred in there. And the first time I did this, I don't think my water was hot enough because it didn't melt like it is now. So just make sure your water is very hot and it'll just like dissolve right in.
First impression, you OPN.
Once your conditioner has dissolved in the water, then you just add your weave to the water. I place the top on, and then I let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. I was nervous. I think you can do 15 minutes. But yeah, I was nervous. So yeah, I did like 8 to 10 minutes. Then I dumped the water out, and then I started the process over. So I actually boiled my hair twice, and you'll see in a few minutes how the water is gonna turn brownish. A part of that I know is because my hair is colored, but a part of that I know is the dirt as well. So that's why I boiled it twice, to make sure all the dirt was out. And once I was done, the dirt was out. It wasn't greasy. it felt like new hair. So that's how I knew I boiled it a good amount of time.
Open up, open, yeah. Cold as ice and cold, open up.
So this is the hair all done. It looks shiny and brand new, and it just felt great. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.